In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Then look for Lock Orientation shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. It's this one with a padlock. So when I click, it turns blue. That means that auto rotation is disabled because my screen is locked in chosen orientation, which is this one. So to enable auto rotate, click on the same shortcut until it's gray, and this tiny padlock is open. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!